Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Crunchyroll notifications when a new episode drops or simulcast goes live? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. Go to your phone settings and then search for Crunchyroll. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap it to turn it green. Check the alerts tab below and make sure it is set to banners, alerts, not none. Since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Next, scroll back to the top of your settings or search for focus. Tap on it and then go through each focus mode you use. Sleep, do not disturb, personal, and make sure that Crunchyroll is not silenced through these app lists under each one. Since new simulcast episodes often drop on a tight weekly schedule, having these notifications working means you catch new releases the moments they are available. So all you gotta do is go to your settings, Crunchyroll, allow notifications on, set style to banners, focus modes checked, Crunchyroll alerts will come through and that's it. Subscribe.